Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna go ahead and address the elephant in the room. Yes, I cut my hair and I dyed it. This was something I've been wanting to do for a long time. I've always had long hair, so I was like, might as well cut it for the summer. Since I live in Florida, it gets really hot, so I figured it would just be really refreshing to have short hair. Alright, so now that that's out of the way, today's video is going to be a look based off of BTS's new music video, Fake Love. I recently saw it and I loved all of the colors, so I decided to do a look on it, and I also got suggestions from you guys to do it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. It's a really simple look, and yeah, so if you want to know how I got this look, keep watching. Okay, so first I'm going to prime my lid with the Tarte Shape Tape. Then I'm going to set my brow bone with a light color. And this is going to help us blend all the other colors really easily. Okay, so then I'm going to take my Coastal Scents 88 palette, and I'm going to take this purple right here and this purple right here and mix it in with a little bit of this blue. Really, we just want to get like a periwinkle color for the crease, so anything that's close to that color would work. And then focus it on the middle part right here. And in that same palette, I'm going to take this purple right here and this one right here, and then we're going to put that on the inner part right here, and then just start blending those two together. Then I'm going to get a fluffy brush and then blend out the edges. Then I'm going to take the NYX eyeshadow base in white and put that on the inner corner right here, and then blend it out. And then you want to take a little bit more of that purple and then put that right there and then blend. Alright, then I'm going to take this color right here, it's hot pink, and mix it in with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, this shade right here, and then put it right next to that purple. Alright, then I'm going to go back into the Take Me to Brazil palette and get this light yellow shade right here. And then I'm going to put that right on the inner corner. Then I'm going to go back in with that pink shade that we used from the Take Me to Brazil palette, and then blend it in with the yellow a little bit more. Then I'm going to go back into the 88 palette and take this shade right here, and I'm going to put that on the outer corner right here. And then blend it out. Then I'm going to go back in with the Take Me to Brazil palette and get this top shade right here, and then blend that in lightly with that. Alright, then I'm going to cut my crease using the Tarte Shape Tape. Then I'm going to set it with a light beige. Alright, so it should look like that. Then I'm going to take a brown liner. This one is from NYX. It's the Slide On Pencil in Brown Perfection. So any brown liner will work. And then I'm going to create like a wing. So it should look like that. Then I'm going to take my Take Me Back to Brazil palette and use this copper shade right here. And I'm going to smoke out that line using this color. Then I'm going to take this shade right here and mix it in a little bit with this shade and put that on the furthest outer corner right here, and then bring it in a little bit as well. Then after that's done, I'm going to take those same blue shades and put it on my bottom lash line. Alright, and then I'm going to tightline my waterline with a blue pencil. I don't know what brand this is. It's like an old pencil that I have, but anything blue works. Alright, then after that I'm going to curl my lashes and put mascara on. Alright, then after that I'm going to take my Eyelure Opulent lashes and apply those with my Duo glue. Alright, so after I applied my lashes, the look is done. I'm going to cut to the outro, apply some highlight, and then I'll see you in a second. Alright, so for highlight I used the Fenty Killawat highlighter in Lightning Dust and Fire Crystal. So I did that all over, and then I'm going to do my lips. I'm going to use the Smashbox Always Sharp Lip Liner in Nude Medium and line my lips with that. Alright, so on top of that I'm going to use my Clinique lipstick in Nude Pop. Anything really nudie and brown will go with this. Alright guys, so with that you are done with the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was a really pretty soft look, and I hope you guys found it was pretty easy to do. And yeah, please recreate this look. I love when you guys recreate my looks, and I love seeing when you tag me on Instagram and on Twitter. And yeah, so I can't wait to see what you guys do, and let me know which music video look I should do next, or what video I should do next in general. And yeah, make sure to subscribe so you know when I upload next. And yeah, I will see you guys soon.